Welcome back learning English vocabulary.
He is eating a sandwich.
He is eating a sandwich.
I am jumping on the bed.
I am jumping on the bed.
We are running in the garden.
We are running in the garden.
They are playing with a ball.
They are playing with a ball.
You are clapping your hands.
You are clapping your hands.
You are reading a storybook.
You are reading a storybook.
He is riding his scooter.
He is riding his scooter.
She is brushing her doll's hair.
She is brushing her doll's hair.
They are playing in the park.
They are playing in the park.
I am laughing with my brother.
I am laughing with my brother.
I am drinking some water.
I am drinking some water.
She is feeding the cat.
She is feeding the cat.
She is washing her face.
She is washing her face.
We are building a tower.
We are building a tower.
They are playing on the slide.
They are playing on the slide.
You are blowing bubbles.
You are blowing bubbles.
He is throwing a ball.
He is throwing a ball.
He is climbing the stairs.
He is climbing the stairs.
She is feeding the fish.
She is feeding the fish.
We are painting a rainbow.
We are painting a rainbow.
I am running to the door.
I am running to the door.
I am waving to my teacher.
I am waving to my teacher.
You are blowing up a balloon.
You are blowing up a balloon.
He is sliding on the ice.
He is sliding on the ice.
You are opening the box.
You are opening the box.
We are planting seeds.
We are planting seeds.
They are playing hopscotch.
They are playing hopscotch.
I am eating a cookie.
I am eating a cookie.
You are coloring a butterfly.
You are coloring a butterfly.
He is throwing a frisbee.
He is throwing a frisbee.
They are playing with blocks.
They are playing with blocks.
We are cleaning the table.
We are cleaning the table.
You are closing the door.
You are closing the door.
I am running to the playground.
I am running to the playground.
You are opening a gift.
You are opening a gift.
He is catching a ball.
He is catching a ball.
She is picking strawberries.
She is picking strawberries. You are pointing at the sky.
You are pointing at the sky. They are playing with Legos.
They are playing with Legos.
I am smiling at my sister.
I am smiling at my sister.
You are closing the window.
You are closing the window.
He is swimming in the lake.
He is swimming in the lake.
She is brushing her doll's teeth.
She is brushing her doll's teeth.
We are listening to a story.
We are listening to a story.
They are playing a puzzle.
They are playing a puzzle.
I am walking to the store.
I am walking to the store.
He is playing the guitar.
He is playing the guitar.
He is playing the drums.
He is playing the drums.
She is reading a magazine.
She is reading a magazine.
He is playing with his dog.
He is playing with his dog.
They are jumping on the bed.
They are jumping on the bed.
You are playing the piano.
You are playing the piano.
You are washing the dishes.
You are washing the dishes.
He is playing with his cat.
He is playing with his cat.
She is writing a poem.
She is writing a poem.
We are playing a card game.
We are playing a card game.
They are laughing at a joke.
They are laughing at a joke.
I am eating popcorn.
I am eating popcorn.
You are feeding the ducks.
You are feeding the ducks.
We are playing volleyball.
We are playing volleyball.
She is making a necklace.
She is making a necklace.
She is painting her nails.
She is painting her nails.
They are running around the yard.
They are running around the yard.
I am drawing a sun.
I am drawing a sun.
You are playing the violin.
You are playing the violin.
He is flying a paper airplane.
He is flying a paper airplane.
He is playing with a robot.
He is playing with a robot.
We are playing checkers.
We are playing checkers.
They are building a snowman.
They are building a snowman.
I am eating a muffin.
I am eating a muffin.
You are playing with Play-Doh.
You are playing with Play-Doh.
He is reading a map.
He is reading a map.
She is playing with her puppy.
She is playing with her puppy.
We are playing soccer.
We are playing soccer.
They are playing with action figures.
They are playing with action figures.
I am skipping stones.
I am skipping stones.
You are playing the flute.
You are playing the flute.
He is playing with a toy train.
He is playing with a toy train.
We are playing tennis.
We are playing tennis.
They are playing on the seesaw.
They are playing on the seesaw.
I am eating a cupcake.
I am eating a cupcake.
You are playing with a yo-yo.
You are playing with a yo-yo.
He is playing with his sister.
He is playing with his sister.
She is painting a flower.
She is painting a flower.
We are playing a video game.
We are playing a video game.
They are playing with a kite.
They are playing with a kite.
I am drinking lemonade.
I am drinking lemonade.
Thank you so much for watching my video. Please help like, share and subscribe my channel.